everyone, so welcome back to another amazing video. If you are new, thanks so much for clicking. It's a girl showcase of Liberia, and today guys it's a rainy day within Monrovia, and we will just be walking around to show you guys how people go about their daily activity within Monrovia. Monrovia is the capital city of Liberia, for some of you guys who don't know. And I just want to say thanks to all of my current subscribers. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please share the videos with your friends. And guys, if you haven't joined my channel membership yet, kindly consider joining my channel membership. It's a way of supporting the channel. Okay guys, so currently, I am in red light and I'm on my way now. You know, I live behind red light. That's why most often you guys see red light video. Okay? I live on the highway behind red light. So, let's get straight to it. Keep watching till it.
Go down. They can't be sure local. I mean, you two yeah. Where? But I'm where go? You want the 100 clear. So now we pass you. You can't be added to load the car. You know what I mean?
That's a lot of money. On a serious note, if you are young man, you get nothing to me, get started, you get money.
Anyway, you have money. And 2 pulley again 200. So I 300. Yeah. Money around. You're back here.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now. Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now. Follow me around. Yeah. Can
guys, thank you all for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. This down Tupo road area is the road you use also to go on the Robertsville Highway Road. So this is almost around the Tupo Road Market area. I'll be ending the video right here, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.